రూపాయలకే మొబైల్ ఛార్జింగ్ కేబుల్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి మొబైల్ ఛార్జర్స్, నెక్ బ్యాండ్స్, బ్లూటూత్ స్పీకర్స్, ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ ఇలా చాలా రకాల మొబైల్ యాక్సెసరీస్ హోల్సేల్ అండ్ రిటైల్లో కూడా ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి. మీకు ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా స్టోర్ వాళ్ళకి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. స్టోర్ డీటెయిల్స్ స్క్రీన్ పైన అలాగే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కూడా మెన్షన్ చేశాను.
Hi to the subscribers, welcome to Buy New Technologies. We are the distributors of Bell brand. దీనిలో స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి C010 మోడల్ సూపర్ V8 కేబుల్ ఫర్ ట్రేడింగ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఫర్ సేలింగ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్ అండ్ ఫర్ ద యూజింగ్ పర్పస్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్. This comes in 17 rupees for the bulk order around 50 units, and for the single around 5 to 6 unit this comes in 25 rupees. In the market same thing you will get in 50 rupees in a retail market. Second one is C014 cable with the C pin with the V8 pins. Feel the wire, super wire quality. Type C comes in 35 rupees and V8 comes in 30 rupees. This is C060 model with the V8 pin cable. This comes on 28 rupees for a wholesaler price. This is 3.4 ampere cable, super fast cable, PC110 model. This comes in with the C pin and the V8 pin. C pin comes in 35 rupees and V8 comes in 45 rupees. This one is the rope wire cable with the lighting. When you keep charging it, the light reflect the light over here. This is called C205 model number. For wholesaler it comes 78 rupees. Minimum order should be around 24 pieces, and in the retail it comes in 90 rupees. And if you go to the retail stores, they sell the same things in 200 rupees. The next is Type C cable of 21 ampere. This comes on 40 rupees. To the Type C cable rope wire, the same thing, the rope wire BC012 model number. This comes in the C pin and the V8 pin. V8 pin comes in 30 rupees and C pin comes in 45 rupees. This is all wholesale rates. This is the newly launched as Flexi series. This is called Flexi series. This comes in 75 rupees. This is one more, the flat wire with the flexible wire, very good wire. This comes in V117 series with the box cable. In wholesale it comes around 60 rupees and in the retail it goes around 90 rupees. This is called 3-in-1 cable with the magnetic cable. This for the wholesale price this is 110 rupees. In the retail it goes around 140 rupees. So these are the earphone ranges. Starting on a wholesaler it comes on 29 rupees with the Bell brand. 29 rupees in this black white. Then one more in the same price, 29 rupees with the black and white color. This is Champ series with the metallic coating. This comes on 47 rupees. One more with the box pack, good sound, super sound. This comes in 34 rupees. One more is this in Buy New brand. The same with the universal option. With the universal you can use for the Nokia also and for the Samsung series also. This goes for 65 rupees. These are the chargers varieties which we have. First one is A21 with the 2.1 ampere, good quality, good wire. For a wholesaler it comes on 110 rupees. In a retail for the retailer it goes for 130 rupees. Second one is 106 with a 3 ampere charger with dual socket. You can use two mobiles at a time. This for the wholesale price is 148 rupees and for retail we sell in 170 rupees. This B202A V8 pin cable and the C pin cable. It's dual shot 2.4 ampere charger. This one for the wholesaler we sell in 140 rupees and for the Type C we sell in 150 rupees and for the retail we sell in 170 and 180. Next one is 207A with 12 USB we sell in 125 rupees in a wholesale, and for the retailer we sell in 145 rupees with the ISI mark of the Bell brand, standard Bell. Next one is 219A. In this you will get micro and type C, both the cables. The micro cable comes in 145 in a wholesale, and type C comes in 150 for a wholesale price, and for retail we sell this same item in 170 and 180 rupees. Next one is 3 ampere charger with direct wire, as a Samsung charger, the old previous one, the same model. This comes in 125 rupees for a wholesaler, and for the retailer for the 145 rupees. For single user we give in 145 rupees. Second one is 824. In this you will get micro and type C, both the cables, but micro comes in 140 and type C comes in 150, and retail we sell in 160 and 170. These are the neck bands which are fully trendy on nowadays. The starting one is this one. For a wholesaler we sell in 360 rupees, 290 rupees, and for the retailer we sell in 320 rupees. Second one is 135 model. This is metallic black color finishing with good quality, with super sound quality. This we sell, for the wholesaler we sell in 365 rupees, and for the retailer we sell in 400 rupees. This is one more model which we have with the good sound effects. The same with the wholesaler we sell in 370, and for the retailer we sell in 420 rupees. One more we have, this is called 090 series with the superb sound and same like OnePlus model. This comes in, for the wholesaler we sell in 440 rupees, and for retailer we sell in 480 rupees. We are the wholesaler in speakers, Bluetooth speakers, mobile accessories and mobiles. The first range is a wireless speaker with the mic. It starts from 330 rupees for a bulk order. Second one is portable speaker. This costs around 450 rupees with the mic. Third one is Bluetooth speaker. These all are Bluetooth speaker. Third one is Bluetooth speaker with the torch. The torch, it comes around 280 rupees. Fourth one is JBL model speaker. Good in sound, superb bass. For a bulk it comes 220, and for a single piece it comes in 250. The fourth one is TV model. As of now all the students are using home classes and all. For them this is the most usable item. One second, stop kariye. In this you can keep your mobile in a holder, and you can use like a TV with a Bluetooth speaker with a torch. This comes around 350 rupees. And the next one is PK model. Have you seen the PK movie, the same model like that? It comes on 385 rupees. Fourth one, the next one is with the stand. You can keep your mobile in a holder like that. This comes in 325 rupees. 325 rupees, sir. The next one are portable speaker with the stand. You can also keep your mobile on the stand, and this comes in 260 rupees, the two models. Next we go for a Bell. We are the distributors of Bell accessories. This both speakers comes in 250 rupees.